Kapari sora kelayo ban pelong ya ke convention balai sngi kata hak ar tarik ukulal kot balapan kot no hak khatsau tarik ukulal kot ar hajar ar pusal. Hak ba ukongsan hak kita gilai sngi udai broda Mario Joseph belawan kanang ban ya ki jingkran ki bakongsan hak kita gilai sngi. Kajingwan jong broda Mario Joseph kelawan rak shisha kajing mentoy ke bakrau ya kipai ublei ke pari sora hak ba palat hajar kipai ublei ke pari sora kilawan ban sengap ba ban skor ya kajing kai kiba broda Mario Joseph ulai bun kibla syakta hak ni kajing duai bat bun ru kibla yo ya kajing ko jingkia nakani ko convention bat hak ni kasngi la pensyong kun bat pencet ham shu ya ka convention da ka kenhun duai na ka sub district mau kesiem hak kajing lam ibabu John Qswet bat ibabu Boysta Nongbri layo katu kani kijingkran na Reverend Father Stephen Karmani ibalong Paris Priest jong kasora Paris bat kunjuru kijingkran ai kublai na ibabu Everest Emily ibalong head katikis jong kasora santa bat ha kani kasngi bat penkut no ya ka convention keladan kamas bakui bat keladan ru kijing mani sakramen bat layo ban kurku ya ki kelung kena bat banduai ya kijing temu baper ki kon samla bat kilong kemi long kapa
where the people comes together and worship the Lord. When one or two gather in my name, I will be there. So when two people comes together, then Jesus will be there. That is already a small church. When Father Stephen blesses a marriage, he is constructing a small house. Not a small house, small church. Every husband wife is a church according to Catholic Church. That is what domestic church. When there is minimum 40 domestic church, then there will be a parish church. When there is few parish church, then the deanery parish. Deanery. Deanery means a big parish. Under that parish there will be few parishes. And if there is many deanery parishes, then automatically the diocese. When few small dioceses, then one archdiocese. When there is many archdioceses, then the Rome. So the existence of the church belongs to the husband and wife. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah. Now the hallelujah. Violence of this talk is more important than what you heard. Violence of this talk is more important than what you heard. I feel we are inspired. For me to have one platform. Hallelujah. even the hotel people looked at her.
Orang-orang mengatakan bukan seperti ini.
You sat a little more closer,
Jadi siapa ada tapi
and you did some lullaby,
sebut seperti
and she informed everybody that my husband loves me so much.
Bapak ini semua belum mengetahui ayat.
She feels so proud.
Rasa besar.
This pain is gone, this pain is gone, this pain is gone, no pain.
Kita bisa tahu bisa jalan bercakap.
Smiling, you see. Every woman wants to go for talking,
Baru kita di pernikahan.
especially with the husband,
Kata Allah.
to show others that I have a good husband.
Memberi kiwai kepada Tuhan.
That is their personal ego. Ego, personal,
Kata ketika cinta mencuci, cinta sarang mencuci.
personal pride.
Kata cinta sarang.
So for that, they will say this pain, this pain, this pain.
Di dalam kata bisa dalam kepahaman sekarang
Attention seeking disorder.
Jadi saya bercakap jiwa Allah.
Hallelujah. Look at your right hand.
Tapi kawan,
Clap on someone else's. Then our father Matthew and the entire team from this parish.
dikunjungi pada Matthew kepada mulut kecil ini nama Kodesh.
Lord, I'm so happy Father Matthew is coming with me, because he wants to make sure that I am safely going,
Kepada Matthew keluar pada ibu yaitu Matthew. Satu sebuah lagi nama ibu akan dikenal ibu Yesus saja.
Very lovely and loving Father.
Di mana pada sini pada seleksi syarat terbaik.
Can everyone else welcome maximum Father? The thanks is to all.
Sungguh ini mulai dari memang dari Paris ini akan dikai di tempat ini amat yang guru Everest di Belkis dan seorang dan Ais di Belpa sungguh
Kami akan sudah bersama-sama memberi nama dirikan nanti menerima anda tentang IC jadi convention. But in Paris Council, as you said before, we will give you the formal ini beberapa hal buat sesuatu yang terkait pada sistem beberapa promosi dalam sudah beri untuk sekali di sisi. The great country Kenapa bersipol lagi beberapa bersipol di Tuhan jika di beberapa jika beberapa dan bersipol tidak siap hakikatnya beberapa salah beberapa ada juga semua di beberapa kita deston beberapa jadi dan beberapa jadi bersama kita juga beberapa